Hi, how you going? I'm just wondering, how are you going getting ready for Christmas? Have you got it all sorted, or haven't you started like me? It's alright, we'll all get there. I'm just wondering though how you're feeling about moving into the Christmas period and coping with the kids. How's it all going now? Anyway, I'm Deb Harper, occupational therapist, and I'm running a free webinar on December the 12th in the evening after the kids are in bed, hopefully, talking about how to have a sensory safe Christmas and a good transition, an easier transition through all the school concerts, the school plays, into the excitement of Christmas and the New Year's Eve and the fireworks. Because being out of routine can be really hard for lots of kids, and I've got some really great strategies to help you get your plan together, so you can leave the webinar with a list of 3 or 5 things that you can implement so that you can have a smoother, easier, happier Christmas. So click on the link below and it will take you through to the sign up page. So pop your name and your email in, and if you can't make it or if the kids aren't in bed on time, then don't worry, we can send you the link of the recording afterwards. Anyway, hope to see you then. Bye.